Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, another new AI tool review. The tool we are going to review today is called Writesonic, and it is a content generating, content creating tool by which you can use content for your blogs, your social media handles, and you can create your audio notes and well as generate images and lots of other things to be done. Now, before I can proceed with the details, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So on this note, let's move ahead and explore the AI tool Writesonic. So once you log in, you'll be taken to this board. So first of all, if you see over here, you will see a library of templates which is there. Now this is AI writing article writer 5.0 version. So it's up to date instant articles up to 2500 words. So basically it can check out for sources on the net. AI article, this is 4.0. This is like a chat GPT which is there, by virtue of which you can go ahead and create this thing ads out there. So here are various templates out there you can select if you want to write something. So I'll just go to the history and picked up one article I've written using the AI over here. So you see you have a freemium model. This follows, you have 10,000 words. I've already used 2,500 words. So I'd asked this particular AI tool to write an article on artificial intelligence. So you can see over here, this is the outline. So these are the inputs what I had given. Artificial keyword is this. So it has generated the article title in itself. The tone of the voice was professional. First point of view, whether it's a first person or third person writing, and quality type what it is, and the language which you want to use. So here is the outline of the things what it had come. There are around total 20 sections, and I went ahead to get an article over there, and it was keeping on writing. You can see, and just image is also generated by in itself. So I stopped the generation because I wanted to keep the limit for some further use. So by this way you can go, you can see this is AI article writer 4.0. The 5.0 is acts like a search engine. AI article like 5.0, like if you try, like if I search same thing, artificial search articles, sorry. So when you do this, it's like acts like a search engine, and it's going to search an article. Now when I click here, anyone, it is going to pick up related articles over here. If I select this, so here you can see it has picked up this article from Google Cloud. So it picks up the latest up-to-date info which is there. So let's go back. You can see from 7,500 I've left now with only less than 7,000 words. Coming back to Writesonic over here. So that is how you can use this particular Writesonic tools over here. AI writer we have seen right now. Then so brand voice, upload and replicate your brand voice. This is something which I have not explored. Then there is a Botsonic. Botsonic is wherein you can create your own bot over here. So here, once you create it, because I've already created it, straight away going to lead me to that bot. You can train your bot on your content, and it's going to, you can see Botsonic create a fully customizable AI bot. It's very easy. It's no coding and all involved. So you can see here I created a bot named Champ. I'm going to view the bot. So what you need to do is you need to give him the bot inputs, like here from one of my website which is there, my offline work which I do, event management. I picked up my site over there, and I had given the website link for the bot to go through. So you can see here there are two site links, so you can either upload a file, enter a link, sitemap, or some FAQs, and you can go over here. So here I had gone enter a link. You can see here two links over here, and so now whatever related stuff with respect to this content is known by my bot. So I've already trained this particular bot. Now I can go ahead and deploy it on my website, and let's try it out. So I'm saying like what, let's assume this is a customer punching in the query on my site, what kind of events do you do? So you can see we specialize in corporate event planning, blah blah blah, etc. It is given. So it picks up here details of which are there from the site. Now you can say I want a travel checklist. Can you help me? It said, I'm sorry, I think the thing is, do you have a travel checklist? So unfortunately, I think there is a blog which is there, so I just need to select this. Okay, so this was the actual blog from where it is taken the feedback. So once you have given the content over here, it picks up the details and answers you based on the content. So this was another interesting thing which I liked about this particular bot. Coming back to Botsonic here, which is a part of Writesonic. Let's go back. Sign. Then there has Audiosonic feature which is new, wherein you can create a text to audio. So there are also a sample audio which I have, you can see over here, this is the sample audio, so which has been converted to Word.
AI voice generator. Bring your content to life with Audiosonic. Transform your content into realistic audio with Audiosonic's text-to-speech and voice AI capabilities. Perfect for marketing, sales, education, podcasts, and more.
So this is your text to audio converter which is there. Besides, you have Chatsonic, which is like your chat GPT. You can ask complex questions and get answers to the same. And finally, the last thing out here is Photosonic option, wherein you can generate images. However, from all of the image tools, what I have, generation tools, the output is not that great personally, according to me. Rest of the things like the the Chatsonic, the Audiosonic, you need a little more human. It looks more robotic kind of a thing. Overall, a lot of interesting tools over here, and quite some. You can say I'm still left with around. I've used 30% of my quota of the words, and I have little more, as I told you, I need for the testing out. So I'm not exhausting the thing. So once you are sort of exhausted, you need to go ahead and upgrade it to a plan which is there. So you can see this is the upgraded plan for unlimited GPT 3.5, $16, and for business it is $33. And these are the features which are being offered. Enterprise plan starts at $1,000 a month, and you can get in touch with them and know what all things you would need to get into enterprise model. So this is out about this particular tool. I hope that you like this particular video. Do share it across, and if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.